understand people's actions long after the fact. It's the case that many of the seniors that I teach will report they didn't really appreciate what it meant to be a parent until they got to be a senior. And then they started to kind of figure out some of the challenges of what it means to be a parent. We certainly see parent-child relations being kind of evidenced here and studied. At level 2B, the symbolism is obviously the father's tools. In the novel itself, the tools we're told have grown to fit the father's hand. They are representative, of course, of his hard work, his love, his compassion, but also his toughness. The irony is, of course, the title itself. A Day No Pigs Would Die is a strange title. The Adventures of Tom Sawyer, dude, you know what this novel is about from the very beginning, but A Day No Pigs Would Die, that's a strange title, and it in fact leads a number of readers to go, I got to read the novel to find out why it's called that. The irony of all ironies is, of course, the only reason why you have a day when pigs don't die is because the man who kills the pigs has himself died. At 3A, I use that term Bildungsroman, that idea that there are stories where young people come of age, and in the process of coming of age, they are somehow defined as being not children anymore, but somehow young adults or adults outright. We think of Telemachus and his father Odysseus in Homer's Odyssey. We think of Ascanius and Aeneas in Virgil's Aeneid, very similar. Tom Sawyer and Huck Finn will play very similar games, and we'll be messing around with Tom Sawyer in our freshman year. Put in your notes, though, when you're a senior, you'll study with me Joyce's Portrait of the Artist as a Young Man, another Bildungsroman type of story. What is the story for you that best exemplifies this idea of coming of age? Write that one down. Finally, at 3B, was a time when you had to grow up, when you had to learn that pain is a propedeutic, it's instructional, it's didactic. You learn something. James Joyce called it an epiphany. Before the epiphany, the realization, the psychic emotive realization. You're one kind of person, and after that, you're a different kind of person. You see the world quite differently. How about this one at 3B, as we ask questions that you can relate to personally? What is the hardest thing you think about growing up to this point? I mean, obviously, there's more coming, as we all know. Finally, what is for you the most important epiphany of your life so far? And to what degree have you been changed by that understanding, that realization? Well, there you go. Peck's A Day No Pigs Would Die. I hope you enjoy your study of this text. Thank you.